My name is Vincent Dekker. I'm the head of data governance and web development, as well as the enterprise architect here at ACC. In my team, we are working with the data catalog. ACC started as a battery cell manufacturer around 4 years ago, and we aim to become the European leader in the battery cell manufacturing industry. When I arrived in this company and the role of data governance was created, we had the need to catalog our data. People were getting lost in the amount of data that we have. It was unclear who was owning the data. We ran through a whole list of different vendors of data catalogs to have a look which one could best fit to our needs. Us being a very small company that was growing, that was building up. In the end, we chose Xenia. We have some sensitive data that not everyone should access. Through the data catalog, we have the possibility to show the people which data exists, and then they can ask for access and we can check whether it is a valid access request or not.
Two cool things with Xenia are first, the ergonomy of the tool, which is very good compared to other tools. And the second one is the flexibility. Enables to have an overview of what data exists in our landscape, what is the quality of the data, and at the end we have also information on the owner of the data, which is very important. Xenia is a super tool.
The Xenia catalog offers for me that is very important is the business glossary. It allowed us also to link some business terms, some business concepts to particular sets of data. This is, I think, also a benefit that we get as a feedback from the community in ACC that is using the catalog today, that this really helps them to structure and to talk about data. In the end, Xenia won the race primarily for its ease for the end user and the data discovery functionalities that we have, which in our view is attributable to the way that the Xenia catalog is built around a knowledge graph, which differentiates it from other data catalogs. For the end user, it makes it very easy because they have one line where they type what they want and the graph provides them with the answers to what they are looking for. We are also using the Xenia catalog to show to people that it's not a burden, it's just to have this clarity of who's responsible in the end.